In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a TikTok effect from a specific video that you saw on your homepage. So the process is very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is scroll on TikTok until you find the video or a video, and then you decide that you want to use that filter or effect. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see a video that I would potentially want to use the effect from. So take a look at this video here. It's using the big head filter, and I know this because over here underneath or above the person's username, it says big head. Now, in order to go ahead and use that specific filter that this creator has been using, all you need to do is tap where it says big head. That's going to open up the filter page for you, and from here you have a couple of options. You can add it to your favorites, so you can quickly get access to it later, and I'll show you where those go in a moment. But to try the filter, just tap on try this effect, and then that will open up the TikTok camera and you can record your video using the filter. Just press the record button to record your video, and then just go through the posting process. Now, where do all the favorites go from the filters that you saved to your favorites? Well, if you tap here where it says effects, it says trending, new, and another option. If you tap on this one here, which is your favorites, you can see that's where all your favorites will go. So you can come back to this menu and use all your favorite filters. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.